Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off notes notification badges on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, now scroll down and then tap on Notes. Next, tap on Notifications. Then we go down and tap on Badges. Now make sure you turn on Allow Notifications, and then you can go down and tap on Badges to turn off or turn on notification badges. After that, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now if you have any new notification coming from Notes, there should be an orange dot at the top to indicate that you have new notification from the app. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.